Scholenberg Global Universitatis. Leaders in trainings and content development worldwide. Brings to you air conditioning components and systems. Note the following. 1. Blue color denotes cold suction refrigerant. 2. Red color denotes hot discharge refrigerant. 3. Rose color denotes mixture of hot trapped refrigerant and incoming cold suction refrigerant above the piston. Below is the animation of a screw compressor. Shell and tube flooded evaporators. These evaporators are similar to shell and tube condensers. The difference is that the primary liquid refrigerant is injected into the shell by a high side float expansion valve. The water circulates in the tubes. As the refrigerant picks up heat, it evaporates and cools the water in the tubes. This chilled water, or it may be called the secondary refrigerant, is then circulated in the AHU. The direction and flow of the water is shown in the animation below, in different colors. The warm inlet water from the AHU is pink. As the water gets chilled, its color gradually changes to blue, towards the outlet. The evaporation of the refrigerant in the shell is shown as yellow bubbles. AHU. This is the animation of an AHU. The return air from the room is sucked through the filter and the cooling coil. Then the cooled supply air is delivered from the top. Animation of a water-cooled packaged air conditioner. Animation of a water-cooled chiller. End of the tutorial. Thank you for being a part of this learning process.